Today, I'm going to show you how to create a cool hover effect using HTML and CSS. Let's dive in. First, let's set up our HTML. We'll start with a simple image inside a dev container. We will run the HTML on a live server, so we will add a slash to the image path. If you open the file directly, then remove the slash. Now let's add some CSS. We will give the container with 250 pixels and margin auto to center the element horizontally. For the image, we will give it with 100%. For the hover effect, we will add a dark layer. We will give it full width and high, and background color black. We want it to be above the image, so give it position absolute, and give the container position relative. So the image will be relative to the container. Give the image opacity 0.7 to be transparent. Now let's define a hover class for the container, and make its opacity 0. Also, for the image, we will give it a transform scale of 1.3 to zoom it, and rotate it 15 degrees. We will also give the container overflow hidden. When hovering in the container, give the image transform unset. Instead of having to hover classes, we will give the opacity to the image and make the layer before the image. But when hovering, the layer becomes above the image. This is because the layer has a position. And this makes the layer in another z-index than the image. The image without hovering was above the layer because of the opacity and the transform. So the solution is to add position to the image. At the end, let's add border radius. See you in the next videos.